we are on our way to Horseshoe Lake. Come and join us as we explore this beautiful lake. And we're here now at Horseshoe Lake. Next slide will be the details of this trail. So, there's a change of plan. So along the way nakita namin tong Horseshoe Lake. So dito na lang tayo today, guys. Let's see. Sana maganda rin yung view dito. Oh wow. Dito na pala agad. Wala pang 1 minute. Alright. Welcome to Horseshoe Lake. So, sobrang lapit niya lang, guys. Parang wala pang 5 minutes walk, guys. So, let's see kung ito na talaga yun. Horseshoe Lake is going straight. Lake Loop. Horseshoe Lake is going this way.
Let's go. No, this way.
It says this way. We're almost here, guys. So guys, nandito tayo sa Horseshoe Lake. Kaya siya tinawag na Horseshoe Lake kasi yung shape ng lake na to is like sa horseshoe nga. Ayan, kaya siya natawag na Horseshoe Lake. Sa akin lang medyo madilim na hapon na kasi pero sobrang linaw nito, guys. Kanina may mga nagsiswimming dito, nagfo-floater kagaya ni Kuya na nandun, nagfo-floater pa. May mga tumatalon dito na mga extreme na talaga na tumatalon. Kung nakikita niyo yung cliff na yan, may mga tumatalon dyan kanina, guys, para mag-swimming. There you go. Ah! Looks so fun. Nice. Gaya ni Kuya, kung ipa-focus mo sa kanya, si Kuya mag-isa lang siya doon. Naka-floater siya ngayon. Ayan. Sobrang relaxing dito. And yun nga lang, sayang late na tayo, guys. Medyo hapon kasi nung napadaan lang kami dito and we decided to check this lake. Kaya ayan, sobrang ganda dito, guys. Siguro kung may time pa kayo, agahan nyo pumunta dito. So ayan, guys, so pwede nga kayo mag-floater dito. Gumamit ng floater. Ayan, kagaya ni Kuya, oh. Busy siya dun, oh. Mukhang may pinagdadaanan. Ayan. So, eto siya. Hindi lang tayo makapunta sa kabilang side kasi I think yung trail is somewhere here. Hindi kami sure and medyo late na rin kaya we decided to stop in this spot. Kaya ayan. So this is Shoe Horse Lake. Ayan. Yes, we have to go back kasi gabi na and lumalamig na. It's so beautiful. Good thing na nag-stop by kami dito sa Horseshoe Lake. Kasi sobrang ganda, guys. We were supposed to go to Jasper National Park pero change of plan. And along the way nakita namin to kaya dito na lang kami nag-stop over ulit. Ayan. Sobrang linaw ng tubig, guys, oh. Sarap maligo. Babalik na rin kasi ang daming lamok. Nakalimutan pa namin yung bug spray. Ay, nako. Oh gosh. Wait. Hindi biro yung trail niya kasi, guys. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Ang daming mga bato-bato. Okay. Ayan, may mga nagdadatingan pa rin. Yung daan niya kasi talaga hindi friendly, yun lang. Pero ang ganda naman ng result, diba, pag pinaghirapan. Kaya maliligo pa. Magte-tenting siguro yung mga yan. Ayan, tinawid na nila yun. So may mga bagong natin, guys. Kami pa na kami. Horseshoe Lake. Pero may tubig, so alternative way tayo. Buti may gumawa ng another way para sa ibang tao. Yun talaga yung way niya, eh. Kaso inabot na ng tubig, guys. So dito tayo sa another way. Oops. Ayun nga lang. Ingat kasi, you never know. Baka yung matapakan mo is putik na. Uy. Ayan, oh. Good job, Han. Uy! May party. Alright, we made it. Napakaikli lang yung trail, guys. Wala pang 3 minutes. Yeah. Sulit din, sulit din. Late na nga lang talaga kami nakapunta. For today, Han, this bump. Nice. Grabe, 4 na ba location na puntahan namin today. We're back here sa car. Sobrang pagod. 4 locations ang napunta natin today, and I think this is the last one, yung Horseshoe Lake. And it's almost 7, kaya I think we're done for today. Balik na tayo sa hotel. And hope you guys enjoy it and watch for more.
Hebrews 11:3 By faith we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen was not made out of what was visible.
To God be the glory.